guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided I'm going to do an updated video on my Gingham style Be Sporty. I've been using this bag for the last few days now and I really do like it. The print has really grown on me. I wasn't too sure about it at first, but it does look really pretty and it really stands out. Anywhere you go, it really stands out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have packed in it. It's just packed up for one child. We were out and about, so it's maybe not typically how everyone would pack it up, but it works for me. So right in this front pocket here, there's just some feminine products in there. And then over in the front mummy pocket, now my zippers are getting a lot smoother. I did point out that they were kind of rough, I guess, to open and close, but the more I'm using them, the better they're getting, so that is really good. So in the front here, there's a mesh pocket. I have a coin purse in the black and blue, and that has coins in it. I have a little card holder that has my kids' health cards, excuse me, and just some mints, some more mints, and I think that's it in that mesh pocket. And then over here there's some hand sanitizer, and in the main bit here I have a Kate Spade wallet that I actually just got. I can't remember the style of it or the name of it, but I am actually really loving it. I normally use the Be Rich. I love the Be Rich, but I really wanted to try one of these out. They're slightly smaller than the Be Rich. You're not going to fit, well, at least I don't fit all the cards that I take with me. But I really do like it. It is quite tight to get your stuff in, but I'm guessing it's because it's new and it will hopefully stretch out. But I really love the size of it, especially when I'm trying to fit it into a smaller pocket in one of my bags. I think it's going to work pretty well, but I do have to carry my kids' health cards in something separate, which I don't really love, just because when I switch bags out, I'm just a bit concerned that I might forget to put these in my bag. But I've decided to use it for now, and I'll see how I get on with it. I still love my Be Rich wallet, and I will not stop using those. But this is just like a nice little alternative for a change, I guess. But anyway, I think the collar is really pretty as well. So over here in this back zipper pocket is just full of, I don't know, I have throat sweets in there, another lip balm, Gaviscon, a wet one, more lip stuff, a hand cream, a little cup topper, toothpicks and a hair tie, a cough sweet and a pen. This front pocket does fit a lot of stuff in it. In the bottle pocket at the side here, I have just a little water bottle for my daughter, and these are the pockets that I was having trouble with because of the size of the lining on here, which is really big. But the more I'm using them, I kept having to tuck it in all the time because the zipper would get caught, but the more I use the bag, the easier it is getting. They are getting a little bit easier to do, so that's a good thing. Over in this bottle pocket, I just have a 9-ounce swell bottle and a snack in the side there. And again, as you can see, it is getting easier to close. In the back pocket here where the change pad would go, I have nothing. I have nothing in the cell phone pocket. I really don't use this for my cell phone. In fact, I typically don't use this particular pocket at all. I normally just throw my phone either into this back pocket here or into the bag itself. I have got the backpack straps on it, and I will show you how I have it packed up. I'm just going to try and fold it over so that we can see a little bit better. There we go. So that's how I have it packed up, and as you can see, it has that really beautiful lining just sat right on top here. I have a Be Quick in the Rainbow Dreams, and that's just full of LOL dolls. So I don't know if you can see right in there. It's a very narrow opening the Sporty has, so for me, if you pack it all in like pouches, you know what's in every pouch, so it is easier to find stuff rather than just putting stuff in the bag, because when I tried that, I really could not find anything that was in here. So in this zipper pocket right here, I have a small set piece in the black and blue, and that just has the charger block and stuff for my phone. And I think I have a plug down there as well. And then in the main part of the bag here, I just have an apple. I have a wipe pouch with wipes, and just some tissues in there, and that they were just sat in the main part of the bag. So in this back mesh pocket here, this is like the floppy mesh pocket, I have a large set piece in there, and that just has a wet bag, change clothes, that kind of stuff, and it fits actually perfectly into that back mesh pocket. And then there's two mesh pockets here, I don't know if you can see those, they're right in there, and I just have some of these nose wipes. In the other one is a medium set piece, and that's in the Gingham style, and that is just like a med kit. There's mummy stuff, all kinds of stuff in there that goes with me from bag to bag. So that is all I had in there. This bag does fit a lot of stuff. You can fit a lot in here, but again, I think you have to be really organised with this bag just to be able to find stuff in it. Otherwise it's like a bottomless pit that you're just going to put stuff in and not be able to find it. But I have been really loving using it, so I am really happy that I decided to get a sporty in this print. And yeah, so if you have any questions, please comment below, and if you have a sporty in this print or in any other print and you've got any packing tips for it, please let me know. Thanks for watching.